In today's video, I'm going to share with you people the different stages of delay analysis and claims management. I know that a lot of people have been waiting for this kind of video in which I'm going to guide them the perfect guidelines, footprints through which a complete EOT case will be documented from very scratch basic level to the professional submission level. So let's start. I will take you on that dashboard. But before starting this video, I just want make sure that you are watching all these videos because this is a series of playlist in which I'm going to make all those videos which are connected with each other. So don't miss any video so that you can grip on the concept in professional way. And also one more thing, I want make sure over here that subscribe this channel so that every video you can get on time. So let me take you on this dashboard where we have different stages of claims, EOT and claim cycle. So what are these stages all about? So first of all, define claim. Identify event and impact anything which is going to happen on the course of project timeline. It can be rainy season, it can be flood, it can be any political strike or any other risk event which is going to push your project planned dates to the any other extent of time, right? So first of all you have to identify, right? Once you are going to identify, the next stage is notify claim. This is your responsibility as per your contract that you have to make this thing into the awareness of your client or the consultant that this was happening. You have to make your correspondence and real ground based evidence, right? So notification should be there. Proof claim, that is the next step. Now this proof claim is obviously the successor is depending after notification of this claim. You have to prove, you have to provide that evidence what was happened and who is the responsible party, right? So after that you are going to see the impact of the time, impact of the cost. You are going to conduct the delay analysis, different kind of methodologies, you are going to use different kind of softwares, and in doing that you are going to use Primavera P6, Microsoft Project, Excel, so that you can prove your delay and all that, right? So delay analysis, through this you are going to prove, like give the evidence that how much your planned activities are pushed, right? And after that, cost analysis, how much time your machinery was idle on the site area and you were not responsible. Designer was the responsible, client was the responsible. I'm just presenting all this slide from the perspective of the contractor, right? And from this stage, cost analysis will be done, right? You are going to evaluate how much machinery, how much manpower was idle, they were not working and their productivity was lost. So you are going to make different kind of Excel templates and you are going to present it as an evidence. And before getting into the next stage, I would just remind you people, if you want to get expertise through all these stages, I'm also offering my full paid session in which I'm going to guide you through all these stages with realistic project approach, delay analysis approach, and I can make you expert in that one. You can find the details in this video description as well. So moving on to the next stage, we have prepared documentations, right? When we are going to prove our cost claims, if we are coming on this point that certain delays has impacted on our project monetary kind of things, right? So contractor is bearing that delay and is going to bear from the perspective of cost as well. We are going to lose our cost, so we have to prepare relevant documentation as well. And then right claim, obviously we have to make all the narrative reports that what was happened, when it happened, why it happened, and who is the responsible party. And from the FIDIC SCL, we are going to give the references because this happened, so as per this class we are going to make this link with the EOT 20.2 claim and all that, right? So engineering decision, we are going to make submission all of these documentation and correspondence and let it on the engineer. The engineer is going to evaluate our case now, right? Now it is in the court of the engineer. So from here, the people who are very expert in delay analysis and claims management are going to find job in the engineer firms. and they are really expert, and they are going to review, and they have to make their decision on the basis of ground reality, right? So on the basis of this decision which is going to be issued by the engineer, after the technical aspects and all that, there may be some negotiations, there may be a couple of meetings in which contractor is presenting the specific case from his point of view, client is going to present, are going to save his face, right, are going to avoid from those payments, are EOT and all that, right? So negotiation will be happening. But if negotiation is not going to conclude anything, the next stage is DRB, dispute resolution board. Dispute resolution board is actually kind of people which are making a kind of party, third party, you can say a board which is going to make agreement between these all parties, like contractor and the client, right? And if it's not going to conclude any kind of consensus or agreement, then the next stage is arbitration, right? Formal dispute settlements, and if it's not gonna happen any conclusion, then litigation. So in my upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about these three stages one by one: dispute resolution board, arbitration, and litigation in the details. So before signing off this video, I would request you people to just write in the comment area EOT, delay analysis, and claims management, so maximum people can watch this video, and we can have more amazing playlist, upcoming series and all that. See you in my next video, in which I'm going to explain all the last three stages: dispute, arbitration, and litigation.